Port-au-Prince, Haiti, January 12, 2010, 4:53 p.m. 37 seconds later, the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere would be in ruin. Haiti, forever changed, but not without hope.
It was the most devastating thing I had ever experienced in my entire life. I have never seen, we were there about 2 weeks after the earthquake, and the streets were full of rubble. Their buildings collapsed everywhere. They were still uncovering people when we first went there. Pastor Joseph had contacted us to come over and evaluate his building to see if it was salvageable or not, and it just wasn't repairable.
We are fighting things today, challenges that we had. We're going on with whatever possible, but we know that the Lord is helping us, because we are not by ourselves in this race.
We come back and started gathering people, engineers, architects, and different ones to help design a project. It was not only a place of worship, but he had a school, he had a medical clinic in it, and he had an adult school that they operated at night. Their facility was basically used 7 days a week, night and day. Being in the construction business, we felt like that we would just go to some of our suppliers and subcontractors and share our burden and see if we could recruit some help.
Donors are getting on board to make it happen. Vendors, carpenters, steel workers, plumbers, electricians, bound together by a common mission, rebuilding Haiti together. One of the most unique components of this rebuilding effort is that 100% of the funds goes directly to Haiti. No administration costs. 100% to rebuilding Haiti.
We have about 50 to 75 workers today, and we're digging ditches for a retaining wall. We expect to pour concrete tomorrow and start laying block on the retaining wall. Things are on schedule. We are doing good, and the people here are just totally excited about what is going on.
You know, with education and health, people can build their future. So this is what we're doing today, trying to give them something in their hands so that tomorrow will be a better generation in life.
The new community center is an ambitious project by Haitian standards. Over 23,000 square feet, including a medical clinic, school classrooms, a 1,700-seat auditorium used 7 days and nights per week, a place of refuge and healing, a disaster relief distribution center, a place of hope.
The Lord has blessed our business, and we feel that giving back has an effect on our business in a good way. We have just experienced through the years the benefits of giving back.
Join with us as we take on this all-important task of rebuilding Haiti together.